There are other ways to study and practice with me. Private sessions, but those are a little bit expensive. There's online stuff, which is great, and I continue to teach a lot of online stuff. There's retreats where you go away for a few days and join me in upstate New York and meditate, and be in silence a lot of the time. But this course I really love and is my favorite recommendation for somebody who's really just getting started and wants to start to establish their own meditation ritual. It's affordable. We have the just that nice feeling of being in community in the room together and just building that energy. It does make a difference. Meditating with others in the room. And this length of time where we get, an hour together and then we spend a week practicing on our own and then an hour together and so on. It's just a really nice rhythm and pace. I would love for you to join me. Reach out with any questions.